they say not yet. Okay. I will be coughing during my set, so I hope my humor will be infectious. Really? Funny? Not that crowd. I think that's the best when you are performing closer to the end, because people have drunk. So the crowd becomes less tough just in front of your eyes. Okay guys, so hope you're having a good time tonight.
Yeah.
And enjoy the last moments of it, because I'm on the stage. We are about to start having amazing time. At least that's what my performance was like a week ago, according to the audience. So 7 days ago, two last people who stayed till the end, they were just going crazy. They were clapping and yelling. Max, it was perfect. Next time, wear a bit warmer sweater. I love my parents. And the other reason why I know that we are about to have the amazing time is that there is a wonderful atmosphere in this venue. There are nice people, and we also put a bit of math in your drinks.
What?
Motivational speakers keep saying that it makes sense to find something so interesting and passion-striking for you that you would die to go do it. And I finally found that something for me. Suicide. I would go die to go commit suicide. It is a once in a life opportunity as well. Yep. Bread, cheese, big carrot, Vaseline. Oops, the wrong list. Newsflash. There is one actual way to make 4 billion people on this planet wake up earlier and work way harder. We just need to put Pornhub on the paid plan. Right. Would work for me. That's strange that when people are thinking of getting in shape, they start watching their weight. Don't they want it to just run away? I recently found out what's the name of the income of OnlyFans model during that time of the month. Bloody cash. I started looking up the ways to become more attractive to women, and what is the thing I found out is women like confidence. And now I know that I need the six-pack for it. The only thing is I'm struggling between which six-pack to choose. Either a bunch of beer or just live in the gym.
Yep.
I suspect my sperm being borderline gay. It's just coming out every day. And the final thing, what is the name of the clown who is aware of his spendings? Pennywise? Pennywise. Thank you. I hope on the streets you will not be recognized. Thank you for your clapping. It is for me, the friends. And let's give it up for Eke, the host of tonight's show.
Hey, keep it going,